The Samsung Galaxy Fold is the first foldable smartphone by Samsung. Samsung encountered a lot of hiccups before it actually released to the consumers, especially on the display failures. Samsung acknowledged and also addresses all the issues. When it was released, the Samsung Galaxy Fold has been improved and added a lot of countermeasures. So, in the year of 2021, does the Samsung Galaxy Fold still relevant and worth to get one? I recently pulled a trigger to get a second-hand Samsung Galaxy Fold for sub 3,000 ringgit. When it was released, the Samsung Galaxy Fold was priced at RM8388. That's a whopping 60% discount. So I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Fold for almost 3 weeks now, and here's my thought. For the price of RM3000 ringgit, I'm getting a not too dated Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, which was 2019 flagship processor, coupled with generous 12GB of RAM and half terabyte of storage. There are more, including Wi-Fi 6, wireless fast charging, wireless reverse charging, decent cameras, stereo speakers, MST payment with Samsung Pay, and much more. This is still a solid flagship specs even in 2021. There are two usable, brilliant and bright AMOLED display, a tall 4.6 inch on the outside, and a 7.3 inch foldable main display. Despite having a small secondary display, it operates just like any other Android smartphone. You can use Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and even games. Typing will be a hassle to some, but you can enable Smart Swipe for one-hand inputs, or just open it and type on the larger display. The cherry on top of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, of course, is the folding display, and it never failed to put a wow face on those who have not seen a foldable smartphone. I remember I went for a tapao and I make payment with Touch and Go through the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and the auntie was very impressed. She asked me whether is this the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Auntie Chen had updated The perfect match of the stereo dual speakers and bright Super AMOLED offers great media consumptions like social medias, video streamings, and immersive gaming experience. The battery life is impressively good, and the device doesn't limit application usage with just the external display. I can run any applications and even games on the secondary display. The 4380 mAh batteries offer me an average of 5 to 6 hours of screen on time with 70-30 usage of the externals and internal display. The most question asked about the device is the display delicate. Yes, the inner display is made of plastics and the crease in the middle is quite obvious when the display is off, but when it was on, it's not noticeable anymore when you are looking at it directly. The only bummer is the weird cube notch, and it would block some views, especially on full screen videos like Netflix and YouTube. To take note, it's important to put a hydrogel screen protectors on the main display to reduce additional crease and hairline due to sharp fingernails and friction when rubbing too much on the plastic display. After all, it's still a plastic material. So back to the biggest questions. Is the Samsung Galaxy Fold worth to buy now? The answer will be yes, if you manage to get it for sub RM3000 ringgit, of course with good conditions. This is one true phablet that offers solid hardware, not forgetting eye-catching and unique design that no other brands can offer right now. Samsung promises 3 years Android OS updates, and the Android 11 is already in the pipeline, expected to roll out as early as February 2021, and we may be seeing Android 12 to be featured on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Getting this device is like purchasing a sport car, examples a Lamborghini, that look eye-catching of course, premiums and expensive. Of course, when you use this device, you need to take a lot of precautions as it doesn't have any IP ratings and a delicate folding display. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia that do a lot of how-to, tech unboxings and reviews on this channel. And if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one.